Good morning, everyone. Well, with an area of low pressure and a stalled out front nearby, rain is in the forecast both today and tonight. In fact, we're already seeing some showers out there early this morning. It's looking pretty likely that most of us are going to encounter at least some light rain on the drive to work this morning. Some in the southeastern part of the area might miss out, including around Nebraska City and Fall City, but I think most are at least going to encounter a little bit of rain. So already have the umbrellas ready to go early this morning and then keep them around throughout the day. It's not going to rain all day, but we are talking about off and on rain. It'll rain for a little while and then stop, and rain for a little while and then stop. And notice the trend here as we get into the early afternoon. There's going to be more rain throughout the day to the north and west and less to the south and east. So as far as this off and on rain goes, it's going to be more off from Fall City, but more on around Columbus and Lincoln and Omaha, kind of right in the middle. So portions of the day are going to be dry, and suddenly it'll start raining a little bit, and then it'll stop. So just have that umbrella ready to go at any point during the day. It does look like, in general, a little bit more activity during the morning than the afternoon, but notice the chance never going away, so I've got to leave the chance in there for the homebound commute as well. Possibility of encountering some rain as you're driving home from work. Again, a better chance to the northwest and smaller chance to the south and east. As far as high temperatures go today, we're going to see a little bit of a difference in temperatures based on the amount of rain. So in the northwestern part of the area, high temperatures only in the mid-50s. For the Lincoln and Omaha area, looks like we're going to top out in the upper 50s. But in the southeastern part of the area, where it's possible some may stay dry throughout the day, looks like we'll manage the low 60s. One thing that's going to make it feel a little bit cooler than what the thermometers indicate, though, it is going to get breezy this afternoon with gusts around 25 miles per hour. If you're going to be out this evening, gotta say the chance of rain is still there. Still, the same trend, more to the north and west than the south and east. But notice it's not just the early evening hours, even into the late evening. We're talking about scattered light showers being around. Once we get past midnight, there's just going to be less and less activity, though, and just in time for the Friday morning commute, it looks like the rain chance going away. And temperatures early Friday morning are going to be in the upper 30s to low 40s, maybe some in the mid 40s in the most southern part of the area. And we'll start the day partly cloudy, but in the afternoon, skies will become mostly sunny. And with the rain chance going away, we will be warming up. Some in the northwestern part of the area might just top out in the upper 50s. I think most of us are going to be in the low 60s, though, and some in the southeastern part of the area might even manage the mid-60s. And unlike today, there is not going to be much wind Friday afternoon, so that's going to make it feel even warmer. We're only talking about winds being around 5 miles per hour. And if you're wondering, looking pretty good for Friday night football as well.